All right, we're working on the 2015 6.7 Cummins, the 4th gen. Truck has 77,000 miles, and it's been giving me this perform service warning when you start it up. Yeah, right there it says perform service. And what that is the crankcase ventilation filter. So I got the new crankcase filter right there. Got it off Amazon, and we'll go show you about how we change that. I think all we need is an 8mm socket. I'll bring you back here in a minute. Okay, here's the new crankcase filter I got. Part number right there. See, it's an actual Cummins one. Fleet guards, same one that the dealership sells. I think this one was like $73, $74 shipped to my house, and I got it like a day. You can get this same one at the dealership, but I think it's $100 more. I think it's like $170. So definitely take the Amazon route on this. But all we should have to do is remove these 8mm bolts all around, pull that cover off, and then your crankcase ventilation filter should be underneath. Okay, we're back again. Like I said, the crankcase ventilation filter is under this cover. I do have the CCV. I guess it's like a filter reroute right there. It's supposed to help eliminate the back pressure, I guess. That's been on there since I've had the truck. I put it on there pretty quick. We'll see if there's any, see how dirty this filter is. I say 77,000 miles. It's probably never been changed. But again, it's a 8mm. I think I got a 5/16, same deal. That works good enough. Then I'll get this thing off and we'll see what happens. And after you get all your bolts out, you can lift this top cover off, and there's your filter. This one looks like it hasn't been on long. I'll find out here. But I'll take this off and we'll put the new one on. Okay, immediately right off the bat, what I noticed with this one is the old one is significantly heavier than the new one I got, because as we can see, the filter's pretty stopped up with oil. The filter should be white. You can see it's black from the oil and everything, and it's real heavy, like it's oil soaked. So that definitely needed to be replaced. See, the new one I got, white, super light, so it's not oil soaked. So I'll get this put back on, and we'll put the bolts back in and finish up this video. So just put the new one on there, push it down, make sure it's all the way down, all the way around. Which it is. You can feel it slide in with them O-rings. And then put my little fill cap back on before, so nothing falls down in there. But then you can start running your I just line them up in the order they come off, so I know which bolt goes where. And I'll bring you back when I'm done. Alrighty, it's how you change the crankcase ventilation filter on a 6.7 Cummins. Yeah, this is a 4th gen truck, but they should all be the same, 2007 and a half and up. Again, stick with the factory Fleet Guard Cummins type filter. You can get it for like $74, $73 on Amazon. Don't go to the dealership. It's $100 more for the same exact filter. Other than that, that was pretty easy. All you need is a 8mm 5/16 socket, and about 10 minutes every time. We'll go in the truck here and see if I can reset the computer part where it's giving me that message about perform service. Okay, the procedure to reset this perform service message, we want to turn the key to run, depress the brake pedal twice, and then push the gas pedal completely to the floor twice, slowly, within 10 seconds. So let's see if this works. It's to run, brake pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal. Well, it's got 0 messages now. It used to have 1 message. Let's start it up. Heck, I don't know. There it be. Perform service is off. We'll go down to check and see if it's still in messages. And as you can see, 0 messages. So that's how you do it. So yeah, that's how you do it. Again, 2015 4th gen Cummins 6.7. The procedure should be the same for all 6.7s, 07.5 and up. Buy the filter off Amazon. Get your 8mm 5/16 socket, about 10 minutes every time, and then follow the procedure I just showed you here on the inside on how to reset the message on the dash. Usually when that message comes up, it's when you need to change that crankcase ventilation filter. But if the procedure I showed you doesn't work on how to reset that message, just keep doing it. You might have not done it fast enough or done it slow enough. You got to push the brake or the gas pedal all the way to the floor slowly twice. But I figured I'd just make a quick video on this Saturday. I got another 10 days of work coming up, or 10 days off work. At the end of the month, the week before Labor Day, I'll have off. Hopefully I'll finish getting that turbo in that GTI. I haven't really been too motivated to work on things. But yeah, I appreciate y'all watching. And if you got any questions or concerns or comments, let me know. I'll try to answer them. We'll see you.